Precise, clean drill holes are achieved in all wood materials with Wurth precision spiral drill bits for wood. The specially ground geometry of the tip allows an excellent drilling result. Thanks to the brad point and cutting edge, it is possible to pinpoint the drill hole precisely, and there is no burring as the bit enters the wood. The HSCO spiral drill bit for wood consists of superspeed steel with 5% cobalt content. This makes the bit heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Celsius and thus particularly suitable for working with hardwood and tropical timber. Thanks to the innovative double bevel, a clean drill hole is guaranteed, and at the same time, there is perfect stability of the bit during the chip removal process. Even very deep drill holes are no problem thanks to the application-optimized helical groove. The result: holes are drilled precisely and the edges are smooth and clean. The spiral drill bit for wood also gives perfect results with brittle plastics, such as composite materials, which tend to break during drilling. Whether as a single bit or in a complete set, Wurth precision drill bits for wood are all-round tools for professionals in the wood business.